Okay, what are you going to sing for us today?
I can spell cat.
I can spell cat? Okay, go for it.
I can spell cat. C-A-T. I can spell rat. R-A-T. I can spell rat. I can spell bat. B-A-T. Bat. And spell rat. Okay, and then I have another one.
Got it. I love it.
I can spell Mary, M-A-R. I can spell mom. I can spell mom. I can spell mom. M-A-O-R. I can spell daddy. D-A-D-D-Y.
Wow.
Then I have something else.
Okay.
I can spell Gracie. G-R-A-C-E. Okay, then I have another one. I can spell... No, this is another song that I did. Whoa! Ballerina, whoa! Ballerina, whoa! How do you like it?
I love it. Okay, say goodbye. Now it is, wait, how old are you?
4.
4? Yep, and it is June 15th,
15th,
2010.
2010.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
I love you so much.